I'm going to talk about two approaches to do this question. First of all, a really nice way. So we've got a number and we want to divide it by 18, and we're going to swap two digits and increase the result by 100, which means I need to add 100 to whatever this is to give my answer divided by 18. Because that's going to be the number, I still need to divide it by 18. Now what I can actually do is put this over the left-hand side over a common denominator. So this 100 will actually become 1800 divided by 18. And to get the answer, all I need to do is add 1800 on to 952473. 3, 7, 2, 4, 5, 9. So what we see in the process of increasing it by 100, increasing it by 1800 over 18, we end up swapping the 4 and the 2 around. That is a really nice approach, and I wish I could say that's how I did it. I actually took a slightly different approach. I took the number divided by 18. Now, I didn't actually work it out, but what I did is I thought, what happens if I swap the digits around? How will that affect things? So if I swap the 3 and the 7 around, it would become about 40 bigger, roughly. And if I divide that by 18, it would only become 3 bigger. So there's no way it could be 7 and 3. If I swap the 7 and the 4 around, then it's going to become about 300 bigger. But after I've divided by 18, that's definitely be much less than 100. Then on to the 2 and the 4. Right, so 4,000 versus 2,000. That means it's going to be about 2,000 bigger. After I've divided by 18, it's going to be about 100 bigger. So it has to be the 4 and the 2. If you then look at the 5 and the 2, it's going to be too big because that's about 30,000 times, not sorry, times 30,000 more if you swap them around. And when you divide by 18, that'd be much bigger than 100. So it's not a, not a bad approach at all, and it gives the same answer.